everybody, welcome back to the channel. All right guys, I got a $15 session. I got 3 of these $5 sleigh bell bucks, and I got tickets 9, 10, and 11. All right, all right. Alright, let's go. Okay, all we do here is just scratch off our symbols, match our symbols on each row, and if we complete all the symbols on each row, you win a prize. Alright, and look at that white line ball. And ours is 1 in 3.51. Alright, okay, we're scratching with our new collab coin. Well, not new, but spin around. Okay, let's go. Odds is, I don't know if I said it, but it's a 3.51 odds. And let's go. Jeez. All right. Start off with the first roll. Looking for a crown. Okay, no crowns, so we'll eliminate that line. Let me see if there's any crowns anywhere. Yep, eliminate that line, and that should be it. Money bag. And no money bag. All right. We got a money bag down here. All right, let's go reindeer. No reindeer. No reindeer, because we got the reindeer here, so eliminates that. Snowman, we got a snowman. Mitten, we got a mitten. Skate. Rocking horse. Wreath, no wreath. All right, so that eliminates that ticket. All right, let's go. Ticket number 10. Okay, let's go. So we got a scarf. We got a scarf here. Stocking. We got a stocking. And ornament. Bam! We got a win. All right. Okay, we got a wreath. No wreath. All right. Eliminates that. Eliminate that line. Eliminates that line. Any more wreath? Nope. Okay, music note. No music note. No music note. Yeah, music note. Eliminates that. Money bag. We got the money bag. Globe. Cocoa. Fireplace. Reindeer. Coin. Rocking horse. Damn, no rocking horse. All right. Reindeer. We had reindeer. We had stocking. Santa. No Santa. All right, so I'm down to our first line, and $5 back. All right, guess we got a win, guys. It's a win. Ticket number 11. Come on, let's get it back to back. All right. Card. We got the card. Heart. We got the heart. And the train. No train. So that eliminates that line. That one has a train in it. This one has a train in it. This one has a train in it. All right, sleigh. You got the sleigh. Drum. Christmas tree. No Christmas tree. Let's see if there's any more. All right, crown. No crown. And we got a crown here, so that eliminates that line. So that is it, guys. All right, so out of our $15 session, We got $5 back, but you know what, guys? It's a win. All right, happy holidays to each and every one of you guys out there. Thank y'all for watching, and now please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys all in the next video. Right, everybody, aloha. All right.